Footage reports that FPV drone units from the 49th Combined Arms Army, part of the Dnieper Group of Forces, successfully targeted and destroyed a Ukrainian M777 howitzer and a pickup truck on the right bank of the Dnieper River. During aerial reconnaissance, drone operators identified key enemy positions and executed precision strikes, demonstrating the integration of real-time observation and immediate engagement capabilities. The operation highlights the increasing role of unmanned systems in disrupting artillery and logistics, as well as the value of FPV drones in monitoring enemy movements and supporting coordinated battlefield actions. Footage from Russian sources shows a fiber-optic FPV drone operated by the 394th Regiment engaging Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel in trench positions along a forest belt in the Zaporizhia direction. The drone provides real-time observation, allowing operators to precisely track and strike enemy forces while minimizing exposure of ground units. This operation highlights the increasing integration of unmanned systems in frontline reconnaissance and targeted engagement, demonstrating how FPV drones are used to monitor enemy positions, disrupt defensive lines, and support coordinated battlefield operations. Footage highlights Russian assault units conducting deliberate and methodical clearing operations in contested areas. Operating both day and night, the units advance without hesitation, maintaining focus despite explosions and incoming fire. Footage from Russian sources shows a fiber-optic FPV drone equipped with thermal imaging, operated by the 25th Army, striking a pair of Ukrainian Armed Forces soldiers near the Slavyansk TPP in the northern Nikolaevka area. The use of thermal vision allowed the drone to detect and engage targets in conditions of limited visibility. This incident highlights the growing role of fiber-optic FPV drones in reconnaissance and precision strikes, combining real-time observation with immediate engagement to disrupt enemy personnel and frontline activity. Footage shows that during aerial reconnaissance in the Sumy region, Russian drone units identified a Ukrainian Armed Forces bunker along with several personnel in the area. Following the identification, multiple FPV drones of different types and capabilities were deployed to strike the position. The coordinated drone attack reportedly targeted the bunker with precision. Footage reports that drone operators from the Burevestnik Regiment are conducting targeted strikes against enemy dugouts in the Markovo area. Using unmanned aerial systems, the operators are able to identify fortified positions and deliver precise attacks, disrupting enemy defenses and limiting their ability to regroup or resupply. The operation demonstrates how modern drone units integrate reconnaissance and strike capabilities, providing real-time battlefield awareness while reducing risk to ground personnel. Such operations underscore the growing role of FPV and strike drones in shaping frontline engagements and influencing the tactical dynamics of contested areas. Footage shows Russian Grad multiple launch rocket systems targeting a Ukrainian drone headquarters in the Zaporizhia region, illustrating the continued use of long-range artillery against command and control positions. A Russian military unmanned aerial vehicle is shown deploying a fiber-optic FPV drone, identified as the KVN, during an operation aimed at engaging a Ukrainian Armed Forces unmanned surface vessel, BEC. The fiber-optic control system allows the drone to maintain a stable connection resistant to electronic warfare interference, enabling precise guidance toward its target. This footage highlights the continued evolution of unmanned warfare, where aerial platforms are increasingly used as launch carriers for secondary strike drones, expanding both reach and flexibility in countering enemy naval and robotic assets. Footage from Russian sources depicts drone pilots from the antagonist group conducting coordinated strikes against Ukrainian armed forces positions along the Kharkiv front line. The operation targeted both infantry units and their associated equipment, demonstrating the integration of unmanned aerial systems into active combat operations. Using real-time observation, the drones enabled operators to identify enemy positions, monitor troop movements, and deliver precise attacks on personnel and vehicles. The combination of reconnaissance and strike capabilities allowed for rapid decision-making and immediate engagement, reducing the need for direct exposure of ground forces. The footage underscores the evolving role of drone technology in modern conflict, where FPV and strike drones are increasingly used to disrupt frontline defenses, degrade combat readiness, and provide commanders with continuous situational awareness. By combining surveillance, targeting, and engagement in a single platform, these drone units enhance operational flexibility, expand battlefield reach, and demonstrate the tactical impact of unmanned systems in shaping engagements across contested areas. Footage from Operational Group West, specifically the 6th Army, shows activity in the Kupiansk area during the first day of the new year, capturing a dynamic operational environment on the front line. Slippery conditions around Kupiansk have created new challenges on the ground, and drone operators from the 6th Army of Operational Group West are taking advantage of the situation, continuing active operations in the area. The Rubicon unit is actively operating in the Krasny Lyman area. Footage and information suggest the destruction of various enemy assets, including an BMP-1, a quad bike, a ground robotic transport system, pickup trucks, a truck, a patch antenna, temporary deployment points, shelters, firing positions, and a Baba Yaga UAV, highlighting ongoing frontline activity in the region.